Right, the company Telesin have kindly sent me out these ND filters for the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So let's open it up and have a look at them. So as you can see, you get a nice case to keep your ND filters in there. It's pretty much streamlined, so it's a real space saver in your backpack. Let's open it up and take a look at them. So the ND filters which you'll get from Telesin is a CPL filter. That's a polarizing filter that's going to reduce any glare from like water or any glass. You've then got your ND16, then it jumps to a ND64, and then it jumps higher to the ND256. Now let's get these out one at a time. We're going to start with the CPL filter, and we're going to attach this to the DJI Pocket 3, and then we're going to do a demonstration with each filter attached. Here we go. So this first filter we're going to look at is the CPL filter from Telesin, and if you look closely just in the corner there's a white mark, and on the actual lens there's also a little white mark, if you can just see that. So when the two white marks are touching, the CPL filter is activated, so it's going to reduce the glare. So then when you spin the white mark around to the opposite end, you'll then get the glare and reflection back in your image. So now I'm going to show you how to mount this to the Pocket 3, and I'm going to go outside to do a quick demonstration of the CPL filter. Now when you're attaching the ND filters to the Pocket 3, always make sure that you've got your Pocket 3 turned off, because if you've got it turned on and the gimbal's activated, you've got to hold on to the gimbal to attach the ND filter, and that's what you don't want to do because you'll damage your gimbal. And these are magnetized, so they just snap straight into position, as you can hear that. And always adjust your CPL filter again while the Pocket 3 is deactivated, because if you don't, you really do have to grab hold of your gimbal to alter the ring, again further damaging your gimbal. So now let's power the Pocket 3 up, go outside and do some testing. Here we go. So I've got the CPL filter attached now. I've got a glass bowl there so you can see the reflection. So as it is at the moment, the CPL filter isn't activated. And now the CPL filter is fully activated, the white mark touching the white mark. So I'm just going to do an on-screen side-by-side comparison here, because it's not advisable to be adjusting the CPL filter while the gimbal's activated. So now you've just seen what the CPL filter can do when it's activated and then deactivated. Now I'm just going to show you how to take these filters off. So just at the top and the bottom there's this little groove, so you can slide your nail underneath and then they just pop straight off. Now let's attach the ND16 and do some testing with that one. So now I've got the ND16 and it's the same principle. Make sure the Pocket 3 is powered off, and then it's just going to magnetically snap onto there like so. Turn the Pocket 3 on. Let's get outside to do some testing. So as I've said before, you get this nice slimline case to put your ND filters in. It's also magnetized, so they just snap straight on just like they do with the Pocket 3. As you can see, they're not going to drop out of there. So when you buy these ND filters for the Pocket 3, Telesin also provide a nice cleaning cloth, and these are really needed when there's small ND filters like this, because if you've got large hands and no nails like myself, you find it pretty tricky to get these without touching the screen. As you can see, they really are tiny. So sometimes you can't help touching the ND filter on the front there. So these cloths do come in really handy. So if you're interested in buying these ND filters for the Pocket 3 by Telesin, I'll be leaving a link in the description where you'll be able to receive a 10% discount when you enter the coupon code. So for now, thanks for watching. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and bye for now.